Nichi confuser, big nefet. Inda nichi musuza.
Right. Girls.
Are they ready for that conversation? Are you guys ready for that?
Ready?
I don't think they're ready. I don't think they're ready.
Once a conscious rapper with the stupid flow. She got high standards, but then she drops that booty low. Say you cooking up the heat, but how is it I'm serving?
Say you're cooking up heat, but how is it I'm serving you?
Okay.
Like Roger Federer.
Oh, tennis! Ah, shit!
Dodachi bibi dab, chakakura mukaka. Muspinimba sera.
Dodachi bibi dab, chakakura mukaka.
Dairy board.
Chaka.
Something now one eye guys, you be like sleeping on the comfort.
Guys, come on, guys.
Don't remind your peers, you have to listen wearing pads just to stop the leakage.
Leakage. Guys, I didn't do it by. Did you listen to this bar?
What?
Guys.
Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Ukuda somu yakapenga terera ii.
And we back with another video. It's your boy Kayzano and I'm here with
KC.
Alright, so guys, as you can see by the title already, we are reacting to some Zim artists, some rising Zim artists. When I first saw this song, I saw it on Instagram, on Masimba's page. There were bars on bars, and it was in Shona.
Shona, is it Shona only? Is part?
I don't know. I just heard one
verse of Shona.
One Shona verse, and I was like, we have to react to this.
Okay.
Because the bars are crazy. They're crazy. And I was thinking, is Masimba gonna rap in Shona? And I needed to hear this. I needed to hear this. I don't know about you guys, but I need to hear this song. And apparently it's got like how many people? Boy Tricky, 5 people. 5? Yeah, 5 people. Got 5 people on a track for 5 minutes. So basically a minute each of bars, straight bars.
Dope.
I don't know about you, but I just want to hear what's happening, guys. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. By the way, please like, share, and subscribe. Please just share with at least 5 people, 5 friends. They have to hear the song, and they have to subscribe to the channel. You know. Yeah, subscribe to his channel also. I'll put put the link in the description. Yeah. Alright, so without further ado, let's get straight to the video. Yes, sir. This song got you don't understand what I heard, God. I heard nothing but heat. So let's go.
Boy, tricky. Magic. Unokita kasaketa vana pita ndinopeta kungomita nekumeta vana fleta kana kuteta handigone kuri.
Wait. Hanza bana fleta kana kuteta.
Mira wainzere flow mdara basata tobotanga chino oni. Tina pita kuta pita guys, come on. You're sleeping on them artists, guys. These are young artists that need to go on the rise. Don't sleep on these people, guys.
Please.
Don't sleep on these people. Let's go.
My emotional something and the imbe my song, but my national anthem. The professional men mujandi wanna pa my chat, but it's hard being a rapper. Nika name my sanction.
Facts. It's hard being a rapper in this country.
For you,
it's really hard being a. Everyone wants to be a rapper now. But then those that can actually rap, or what is it? Not everyone. Please listen to me. If you're watching this and you're a rapper, not everyone is supposed to be a rapper.
Yeah.
Please. If you're friends with someone who thinks they're a rapper, please tell them that you're not a rapper. As is Rauko, say please.
Rekandi ngoti ndisati ndati nekuti ndikati munozofunga kuti ndati andi but it's hard being a rapper mnyika inema sanction ndati rekandi ngoti ndisati ndati nekuti ndikati munozofunga kuti ndati obo vakati cheta zvemandoro kwati gadzirira kama handireve billiard kana tapinda
handireve billiard
gadzirira kama and billiard.
He like come billiard. Shit.
Bars, nothing but bars. Guys, come on.
Front at the party kana wati you can cut a patanati. Nemate kana vati yenye no sema bora, no sema shanda.
You can cut a vati but nothing
I don't know.
I don't think there was a proper bar there, but the way he put it in, guy, that was crazy. The way he put it in was crazy. And
guys,
47 seconds
in the song.
47 seconds. Okay, come on.
I don't see the well that you put in on a Vladimir. My work saying you are one way. I know it's a kunge underway. I'm not aware, but say Muchi Wazi one even way. Nobody Rwanda goes Peter. Mucha Peter Maku Keta Mita Ranta Deposit. I'm a citizen. Achandita president. When my guitar it is a honor to meet you. Not on the tower and I could meet a name great. It's never too late. In the Muchi confuser. Dick Nefet. In the Nichi Musuza.
Right. Girls.
Are they ready for that conversation? Are you guys ready for that?
Ready?
I don't think they're ready. I don't think they're ready.
There's difference between thick and what? Fat.
I don't think people are ready for that conversation.
Right.
People are not ready for that conversation. People are not ready for
thick
that
and fat. Fat is like a fat.
People are not ready for that conversation.
I don't know how to explain that.
People are not ready for that conversation.
They are not ready.
Let's just move on.
My intellect, in the Makala Zepa Day Flag, yes, I is straight.
Wait.
Wait the boy.
In the Makala Zepa Day Flag, yes, I is straight.
Ew, I flag no get.
You gotta straight. Guys, those bars, please.
Sleeping. Do not sleep on these people, guys. Come on.
Stay woke.
Come on.
Toto ita so here Jia mati nasi kune siku show here my own people kundi ita so here what I do don't funza kuti oh here you niggas drive me insane, but I don't lose control. I let Jesus take You niggas drive me insane, but I don't lose control. I let Jesus take the wheel, now I'm in cruise control. Once a conscious rapper with the stupid flow. She got high standards, but then she drops that booty low.
We see you, bro. We see you. She got high standards, but she drops that booty low.
Booty low, God.
Let's
take that booty. Let's take that booty.
Look, I'm the best and I mean it, bro. You can never stop me, that anemic flow. Many fish in the sea, but you know I'm trying to find Nemo though. Even though I kill the beat and leave it deep like 6 below, I'm posting the single song.
Kill the beat like I'm 6 below. I don't know.
I kill the beat and leave it 6 below.
6 below. Shit.
6 feet.
6 feet.
Way better.
And they bad.
6 feet.
I mean,
way better.
Those people out there. Way bad.
So that you attend the funeral, but never call me murderer. Bro, they stoop so low and they sleeping on me like furniture. You say you got the sauce, but how could it be I'm burning you? You say you cooking up the heat, but how is it I'm serving you? Like tennis squadron murderer or a foul Nadal, you pirate your music.
Wait. Do you see how the bars are connecting though?
Guys.
Do you see how the bars are connecting? And the
Wait.
You say I'm serving. Wait, no.
Serving like
Say
cocktail.
I've got the flavor. No, the sauce, right?
But how is it I'm serving you? Got the sauce, but how could it be I'm burning you? You say you cooking up the heat, but how is it I'm serving?
Say you're cooking up heat, but how is it I'm serving you?
Okay.
Like Roger Federer.
Oh, tennis! Ah, shit!
Oh, I found that. Come on,
Guys.
man. Come on. Come on, man.
Guys.
Come on, man. Come on.
You got the sauce, but how could it be I'm burning you? You say you cooking up the heat, but how is it I'm serving you? Like tennis, Roger Federer or Rafael Nadal. You pirate your music like Sparrow, but please don't jack my style. Treat the blunt like a rugby ball and pass it.
Sparrow.
Like Jack
Sparrow.
Guys,
Jack-
do you see how it's connecting?
Shama. Jack Sparrow. Those are true days of Zen. Rise of Zen, please.
Eyes of Zim.
Put your music like Sparrow, but please don't jack my style. Treat the blunt like a rugby ball and pass it down. I don't.
Oh!
You don't delay.
Pass it down.
Slice it. Come on, man. Come
Pass
on.
it down. Yeah?
Come on.
Sparrow, but please don't jack my style. Treat the blunt like a rugby ball and pass it down. I don't smoke, but like nothing was the same. I'm high as clouds and I'm out. Skirire kuchuma ndakaskiva malevu aya tera mahita ndakapita madevu aya godobori pachimuti majagune akatashura painstrumento isa treble haya katite kwatikwatine makwatito ita pati hati napita bima
Pita makwate hati.
That's a sick flow.
haya katite kwatikwatine makwatito ita pati hati napita bima sikati owaiti pati ndati taidekiwa munandi ndini ndiri vadimandika slekwini karismatike tako ndidonza bandi kaudrogonda
Hanzi kakuta zvakundidhonza bhandi.
Kasle Queen charismatic.
Bhandi.
Come on.
Uzota.
Can I choose a baby brother? It's like Queen. It's late.
Hey,
It's a fast game.
first game,
I'm
bro.
not playing games here.
Stay woke, huh?
I'm gonna shoot my shot. Like I'm.
Hey, fine, that's enough. That's enough. Let's go.
Tsoka mafupa eshikiro kana nzou ndobopa ndibebe pane bhiro chingungu ndengu chatriki manyimwe mumaspika izi kuneta munhipi godobori vasvika chiwolverine chihambura makaka ndoda chibbw chakakura mukaka muspenembasera
Dadachi bibi dabi chakakura mukaka.
Daybot.
Chaka. Chaka.
Something now one eye, guys, you be like sleeping on the comfort bed.
Guys, come on, guys.
Chest,
How do you think of such, guys? You're sleeping, guys.
chakatakura mutaka every night chakupakura sataka iwe vakuseriseri handidzokere kumashure vhirire peri mundoropanya yadzerudo taila peri handimboiti zvekubwinya Robert Kelly but mimi makubowa too much maskosko moomera pakuflowa zvekuimba zvisiye.
Thank you.
School to my school.
Maunyanya, guys. Too much.
Too much.
Too much. We want bars. We want to listen to them bars. We want to vibe to your music. Tichiti takati. Oh, have you ever listened to a song? Wait, I take this down. I'm putting this on my caption.
Okay.
Constitution Sapani Be Brown.
That's
Those are the songs that we want, guys.
for real.
Bars on bars.
Bars after bars.
ndamnotengesa manyowa ndine vhesi rakarepo pfuura japresa akaedemera kuda mabhazu yakuno ndigokutetsembera napina roll on disa nditserere miri ukuda somu yakapenga tserera iyi ohere ndongobvunza kuti ohere. Let's save the best for last. Or should I say they save the first for last? I'm still ahead of my time, it's deja vu when I rap. Rappers like letters and opticians charts, they all cap. Welcome to the mind of a genius, all there to see what a genius. See they spit bars, I spit venom, my flows are quite insidious. Let me remind you I'm serious, my flows remind you periods. You have to listen wearing pads just to stop the leakage. Yeah.
Leakage. Guys, I didn't do it by. Did you listen to this bar?
What?
Guys.
What?
Huh?
See they spit bars, I spit venom, my flows are quite insidious. Let me remind you I'm serious, my flows remind you periods.
My flows remind you periods.
You have to listen wearing pads just to stop the leakage.
You have to listen wearing pads just to stop the leakage.
Guys.
What?
Guys, my bars are much more now. One
Let me slow it down, I hear comparisons, but the competition narrows down to me, Mitch, the one and only. If I was a boxer, I'd be Muhammad Ali. I make niggas have butterflies before I sting like a bee. I serve niggas quick like a drive-thru, all I need is a beat. Body anybody or anybody's trying to clone me. Before you risk it, just make sure it's worth dying for, please, Mitch. Toto ita so here, Jia Martina siku ni siku, show here, my own people. Undi ita so here, what I do, don't wafunza kuti, oh here, oh here, oh here, oh here, don't wafunza kuti, oh here, oh here,
okay. I don't know rapper.
I'm not gonna cap and say I'm a rapper. I'm not a rapper. I can't rap for shit. But guys, that was the reaction to the song. Guys, this song is crazy, bro.
It's crazy. That's Harare Gardens Blues.
Boy, boy.
Garden Blues.
Boy.
Song is
Nah, that was too much, guys.
That's
too much. Shout out to old boy Tricky, Do Major, Masimba, Tidech, Mitch Uta.
Shout out.
Shout out to you guys.
It's like English Shona.
That's crazy, guys. Complimenting each other. Please, I applaud you guys for doing that. And yeah, that's it for the reaction video. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It's your boy Kayzano, and I'm here with
KC.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, hey, hey, Sash, look, good vibes, energy. I don't let what they say get to me. Two sides, symmetry. After this, no one a threat to me. They gon' be calling my name, hey. They gon' be calling my name, hey. They gon' be calling my name, whoa. They gon' be, yeah.